I have my product director, Mr. Ankit Agrawal. He is our product director, our co-founder, who is the brain behind the platform. You will be simply amazed to see the features of the platform, how it's operating, who has brought AI into career counseling segment. So he will be showcasing you or demonstrating you about the key features in the platform as an overview.
Thank you, Radhaji. So I'm the product director, and in this session, I'm going to show you how technology can be key enabler for starting your own practice, and how you can scale up your career counseling practices using a next generation career counseling technology. So without any further delay, just let me share my screen so that I'll show you how this entire career counseling technology platform looks like. So I always say career counseling is just like a medical practice, okay? And you are like potential counselors. So for career counseling, the most essential thing is psychometric career assessment, because this acts as a diagnosis tool, right? Now, when you need to evaluate the, when you need to do analysis on any candidate, right? You cannot do based on manual stuff, right? There should be a system that will give you accurate results, and based on that, you can provide a proper career counseling. Now, here, psychometric assessments comes in the picture. So in the technology part, what we do provide is a dedicated landing page to each and every counselor with all the counselors' branding. And in this landing page, you can see we are having different type of psychometric assessments, different assessments for Indian students, and different assessments for the international students, for the IB board, MYP, IGCSE, IBDP, A level, and different assessments we are having available in the platform. So all these things are integrated with the platform so that candidate can come undergo all these psychometric assessments based on their level, based on their grade. And then once these psychometric assessments are completed, around 32 pages comprehensive report generates from the system. I'll show you one of the sample report. So this is how the report looks like. We call it as a 5-dimensional or multiple dimensional psychometric analysis report, where first we identify the current stage of the candidate. What's the current stage of the candidate? So objective will be to bring candidate from the confused stage to the optimized stage. Then in a report, you will find a detailed analysis of candidate personality. Okay, so you'll find the complete analysis of the student personality. Then you can see student strength. Okay. You can identify, as Radha covered, one of the dimension, that's the career interest dimension. So that detailed analysis you will find as a part of the report, right? What the interest areas student is having. The top interest areas will be highlighted as a part of the report. So personality indicates who I am. Career interest indicates what I like. After that, report will include the detailed analysis on the motivators. What are the factors actually motivates to the candidate? So you will find the detailed analysis on the motivators. Once we identify what a student like, what he want, after that in a report, you will find it's very important to identify the learning style of the student. Every student is having a different type of learning style. So in a report, you will find the learning style of the candidate and how student can improve their learning style. So detailed analysis will be there of the learning style. After learning style, you will find the analysis on the aptitude, student numerical ability, logical ability, verbal, clerical, spatial, leadership, social, mechanical. So different abilities you will find. Now, these are the multiple analysis that you find in the starting of the report. If you are performing assessment for the graduates and professionals, you will find one more dimension, that will be the EQ, that will be the emotional quotient. There's an additional one for the professionals. Or if you are doing the assessment for PYP candidates, or you are doing assessment for up to the 5th to 7th class candidates, then you will also find the Howard Gardner multiple intelligence analysis. Now, based on all these indicators, system first will identify what are the career options or the clusters most suitable for you. Like for this candidates coming business management, hospitality, marketing on the top. So system will identify what are the career options most suitable and what are the career options not that suitable for you, that will come in the bottom. After that, once clusters identified, system will also indicate the subjects, like this student should take definitely maths, physics, physical education, along with that the computer science. What are these subjects student should choose? So you will also find the subjects combinations. First combination, if not, then this is the second combination, or this is the third combination. Student can choose from here the combination suggested to the system. Now, after that, as we suggested to the candidate business management with maths, now this is abroad. Under this one also, there are lot many career paths are possible. We cannot say to the candidate only for the business management, right? Now, system will do the detailed analysis of different career paths that's coming under business management. Like for these candidates coming business management IT, business management, project management, and business analytics. So business analytics, business management IT, and project management. That's the reason system has indicated with maths. Okay. These are the three options that's most suitable. So you will find a detailed analysis of what are the career options most suitable, not only the broader level, but at a detailed level also, which career option student should pursue. Okay. Now, once we identify the career options, then report will not end over here. Report will also include the detailed execution plan. Now, report will include what will be the work nature of the selected career path, what will be the complete education roadmap, what are the subjects the student should choose in 10th class, 12th class, graduation courses student can do, post-graduate courses student can do, what are the different type of certificate courses student can do. So student, now the complete education roadmap is drafted in a single report, right? Then what the fees, demand, salary, level of the preparation is required. And then finally, why we have concluded this career path, the complete analysis will come. Now, this report is not only indicating what are the career paths suitable for you, will also indicate the career path that you should avoid or you should not pursue. In career counseling, both are important to highlight to the candidate. So in this way, there are different reports for the different standards, different education group you can find as a part of the report, right? Now, in next generation career counseling, once you complete the psychometric assessment and you complete the entire counseling, right, or the report is generated, it will not end over there. Students need lot many information on India colleges, international colleges, portfolio building, scholarships, and lot much information. So what counselors will get it and what students will get it, every student, there will be a dedicated dashboard. From the dashboard, students can access all the counseling report, okay, career reports. After that, there will be detailed information of colleges, information of more than 22 plus countries, information will be available, whether it's India colleges or it's international colleges. Okay, whether it's the USA, UK, Canada, you name any of the country, college information you will find within the platform. I'll just take international colleges. So once I just click on the international colleges, then what will happen is it will show you the entire details. So upside you can find lot many filters. You can search based on the college name, course name, based on the country, UK, USA, any of the country, based on the location. You can further filter if you wanted to further filter. So lot many filters are available over here. You can filter based on the IELTS, based on the intake, based on the ranking of that university, based on the fees, based on the level of the education. All these things will be available. Say for example, I'm just looking for data science course. I'll just write data and I'm looking for UK. Say just an example. Okay, so it will give me all the colleges who are offering the data science kind of like King's College London and all these things. Okay, the fees, year, duration, IELTS, ranking, intake is available for the September, right? All that information. If I need more information, I just click on the college details. It will give me more information, documents required, living cost, PSW, part-time job. All this information will be available. System will also indicate the prediction. Okay, once you click on the prediction, it will ask certain more details like academics details. Based on that, system will also calculate in the real time your chances to get the admission in this particular college, right? So all this information will be available. Student can just click on shortlist. So multiple India colleges can be shortlisted. International colleges. Same way, if you want to shortlist the India colleges, we are having all the India college information available. So we are having information of international colleges. We are having information on India colleges that's available. So if I say we are having the largest depository of more than 8 lakhs colleges, 8 lakhs courses information available and updated in our platform, right? So you don't need to refer multiple websites, you don't need to go multiple places. All these things are available in a single platform, and based on filters, all this information can be filtered from the platform. Okay, so counseling is done, report is done, India colleges are done, abroad colleges are done. Then we are having information on the exams. As you can see in the dashboard, if student want to know the cutoff or the exam date, can just click over here, exam date, where information of exam information will be available as a part of the platform. And student can shortlist, like add milestones, colleges and exams can be shortlisted from here. Okay, super. Now let me go further. Apart from that, see what happened. You cannot consider like a student is having information of all the career paths, right? So we are having the career library that's integrated with the dashboard, where once I click on this start now, okay, more than 160 plus career options that's popular across the globe. The information of all these career options are available in the platform. Like if I want to know about interior designing, I'll just click on interior designing, and you can see the entire information of interior designing. What's the interior designing all about? Roles and responsibilities, videos, right? Navigators, how I can become an interior designer. All this information are available as a part of the platform. Okay, so career report, India colleges, international colleges, students have accessed. Okay, exams, library. After that, we are also having the online courses available, some of the popular online courses available and integrated with the platform free of cost, where student can click on online courses. If student want to learn Excel, graphical designing, how to handle the stress, how to score high in the exams, how to prepare for the job interviews, all these videos can be accessed from the dashboard itself, right? So these information are available. We also have scholarships information available integrated with the platform, where student can access the different type of scholarships that student can avail. Okay, I am not going in the detailing of these scholarships, but you can access from the scholarships. Okay, now I'm coming very important point. That's a portfolio building. See, nowadays is very essential, and nowadays the bright students, they always prefer to build their portfolio, right? So we have given the option in the platform itself where student can build their entire portfolios. And now what's the good practice to build the portfolio? There's a virtual internships, right? So we have brought many virtual internships across the globe that's integrated with the platform. Okay, student can click over here, start now. Okay, and can just enroll. All these virtual internships, there are more than 300 plus virtual internships are available, absolutely free of cost. Now I'm clicking on the enroll now. It will ask for few details. I'll just fill the details quickly and show you how you can avail these virtual internships, or how student can avail these virtual internships from the counselor landing page. Okay, confirm. Okay, now this is loaded. Now here, what student need to do, as I highlighted, there are different career options, right? You can find virtual internships are available, across the industries. Like if I want to do virtual internship, accounting, banking, consulting, data, design, education, engineering, entrepreneurship, healthcare, human, insurance, law, life science. So I can select from here, and then right hand side, you will find many companies who are offering these internships. Okay, so once I click on the company, you can find like KPMG, you will find PwC, right? You will find Citibank. So many virtual internships are available. Student can do from their own place, non-chargeable. And once these internships are completed, student will also get this certificate from these top-notch companies. Okay, so this is a very good functionality where virtual internships are integrated with the platform itself, right? Apart from that, there are other things available like get your website. Now we have given flexibility to the candidate. If a student is having multiple certificates or something really great student has done it, a student can publish their own website like their portfolio from the counselor dashboard, from the counselor web page itself. So what I mean to say is we will provide a dedicated landing page to the counselor where student can complete the assessment, right? Student can access the information of colleges, exams, and all these things. It can be accessed, right? So as of now, I have shown you platform from the student point of view, right? Now quickly, I'll show you the platform from the counselor's point of view, right? Now all these services are not, by default open for the candidate. What candidate need to do? Candidate need to complete the entire assessment, okay? And it's in the flexibility of the counselors. So what we are doing is, let me open the interface. Yes. So apart from the student interface, all the counselors, they will receive their own dedicated dashboard. Now, the interface, what I am showing you now, this is a cockpit. This is a dashboard of the counselors. Now from here, counselor can access all the reports. Say for example, if 500 students has come to your site and has done the assessment, counselors can access and activate all these reports, okay, from here. So basically, understand this point, how the flow will work is any number of students can come to your web page and do the assessment, but their reports will be blocked. A student cannot access their reports or student cannot access the dashboard, okay? Before that, counselor need to activate it, okay? So how counselor will activate? All the counselors will receive some dedicated or some in starting some access codes from our site if you're availing this platform from our site, okay? So what counselors need to do, counselor need to copy one access code from here, okay? I have copied. Go to deactive, because now you want to activate the student platform. Say there is a candidate called Kriti and you want to activate the Kriti platform. Click on the report, punch the access code over here and submit. Then what will happen? Automatically this student report will be activated and dashboard will be activated. So it means report activation and platform activation is 100% in control of the counselors. So counselors can charge the money from the candidate, okay, and can activate the report. There is one more functionality is available in the platform. Most of the times counselor don't want to give the report directly to the candidate or don't want to give the access of the report directly to the candidate. If you want to block the report for the candidate, you can block the report from your dashboard, okay? It means only counselors can access the report, student cannot access the report. So all these things we cover in detail, as a part of our training, but all the flexibility is given to the counselors, okay? After the counseling, if you want to add some extra page as a part of the report, like your own remarks, your own thing, you can click on the summary. You can write over here and you can add. So like a prescription. So at the end of the report, you can insert the extra page for this candidate. Okay. Now it means there'll be a web page where student can access the assessments and the report. There'll be the counselor dashboard you will be receiving where you can access all the reports of your student and you can manage the reports of all the students, right? It's as simple as that. Throughout the platform, starting from your web page, your CRM, it will be co-branded where throughout the platform, it will display your company logos and your names and your contact details. Okay. So this is what we are giving in this one. Apart from this, there is also a lead generation support integrated with your platform. So how that will work is, so for every counselor, let me just show you one example. For every career counselor, there'll be book appointment page. I'll show you one demo page. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay. So for every career counselor, there'll be a dedicated page will be there. Okay. Where a student can come, a student can request for callback, message, or can click on the book appointment. And based on the time availability of the counselors, okay, based on time availability. Once you click the book appointment, it will ask the times that's set by the counselor, and appointment can be booked, and counselor will receive these details in their WhatsApp as well as their email ID as well as in the CRM. Okay, so this entire platform comes with book appointment portal also, book appointment page also integrated with the counselor dashboard. I hope this is clear. Under the platform, you'll be having your own dedicated web page, student dashboard, counselor's dashboard. If you are belongs to the school, or if you want to do any activity for the school dashboard. A report activation will be in control of career counselors, where you can activate the reports for the student, and we do provide some initial access codes. So on top of that, whatever you want to charge to the candidate, you can charge. And once these access codes are consumed, expired, you can renew and you can buy more access codes from our side. So this is what I wanted to cover in my session.